The first and the most important step that we are going to do for our autonomous navigation or else the autonomous mobile robot is that we are going to control the motors. Okay, that is important stuff. So first we will break down how we are going to control the motor. Okay, so the motor needs the battery, the motor driver and the motor itself, right, and the wires and all those things. Okay, so first of all we are going to use a motor without encoder and we are going to control it using Arduino. Here you have two options: controlling the motor with an Arduino, else controlling the motor directly with the Raspberry Pi. Okay, but I will recommend using the Arduino in between because it covers the basics of using a microcontroller, but also with the help of a microprocessor is also fine, but going with a controller is a better option. So doing the basic connection of the motors with the motor driver and then connecting it with the Arduino is important. Okay, I hope you know how to do the connection part. Okay, because that is really simple. You have to just join the digital pins, give the ground, give the voltage. All those things are really simple. You have to put the code into the Arduino, the normal motor driving code. So here we are using two motors, that is the differential drive mechanism. So we are going to only code for two motors. Okay, so we are going to use the PWM pins to control the speed, and also we are going to use the digital pins to provide the high and low to the motors. So whenever we will move the motor forward, the motor should move forward, and whenever we rotate backward, it should move backward. Why I am saying this? Because this is important, because we are going to use the serial communication. Okay, the serial monitor. So whenever we press I, the motor should move forward. Whenever we press comma, the motor will move backward. Whenever we press J, the motor should move left. Okay, should turn left, but at its own place. Okay, so the rotation will happen at its own place. So what we are doing is that the right motor will move forward and the left motor will move backward. So the rotation will be anti-clockwise. Okay, and whenever the left motor moves forward and the right motor moves backward, it will be clockwise rotation. That is for the right hand side. So basically what we are doing is that whenever we press J, it will be left turn, and whenever we press L, it will be right turn, and whenever we press K, it will be stop for the robot. Okay, so that was the controlling part. This node has these particular commands I, J, L, K, comma. We are going to use this particular node in our further part, so that's the reason. So this was for today. We will meet in the next video. Till then, grow, learn and explore together.